I've scratched your backs and kept you out of jail. Well, now it's time to say thank you. Go show those little bitches you don't mess with Roman Sionis! $500,000 to whoever brings me the girl alive. The rest, you can kill.
Dope.
Oh, no, not that one. Sentimental value. Try this.
You're kidding.
Right, gotta take care of the girls. Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Hey, Cosmos.
Harley, focus.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
You know, psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for.
Yeah.
Are we ready? Bad guys, just outside. Shit! Down here! Follow me!
What?
You are so cool. Okay, this way.
Get ready, ladies.